Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Exclamatory sentences. Our second topic of grammar today is exclamatory sentences, and we have to convert exclamatory into assertive sentences. Assertive sentences, okay? Here no opposite relationship is there, no positive, negative, right? First we have to see exclamatory order of sentence. What is exclamatory order of sentence? Generally, exclamatory sentences begins with what or how. Then after article a or an. Then after adjective. Then after noun. Finally comes subject, helping verb and exclamatory sign. So if this structure is given, that sentence is exclamatory. For example, water, good boy. What is your name, beta?
Sahil.
Sahil. What a good boy Sahil is. This is our exclamatory sentence. Now we have to convert this into assertive. So we should be knowing the assertive structure also, order of assertive sentence. While making exclamatory into assertive, we have to see the subject and helping verb. We have to carry subject and helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Second important thing, in place of what or how, we have to use very or really. Few more words are there like great, indeed, etc. Okay. Now after writing subject and helping verb, this article we have to place. Article a or an. Then after we have to write very or really for what or how. Now in entire structure, we have taken subject and helping verb. We have used very or really for what and how. Article is also placed here. So what is left now? Adjective and noun. So let us place adjective and noun, and in place of exclamatory sign, we have to place what? Full stop. So let us convert this structure into assertive. Chalo beta, you do it.
Sahil is a very good boy.
Sahil is a very good boy. Very good. Your answer is correct. Chalo beta, I am asking you to use really in place of very. Please stand up.
Sahil is a really good boy.
Sahil is a really good boy. Sit down. Is this answer correct? No. Raise your hand if you disagree. Come on, anyone. Not knowing or not? Huh? Incorrect. Correct. But let me tell you, it is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Reasons are there. Whenever very is used, article always comes before very. But when you want to use really, article comes after really. You cannot write a here. That will be incorrect. So answer is what? Sahil is really a good boy. Understood? So this way, you have to use very or really. Is it clear? Close. Next topic that we are going to do is convert positive sentences or affirmative affirmative sentences into negative. Right? This also comes in transformation of sentence. So what we have to do, there are two rules actually. Rule number 1. Use one negative word in the sentence. At least one negative word must be added in the sentence. In that case only it will be called negative. And which are the negative words? No, not, never, neither, nothing, nowhere, nobody, none, etc. So any of these must be used. But there are certain rules for using negative words. You cannot use all negative words anywhere. First rule for negative word. In case if you see a word always in positive sentence, in place of it you have to use never. If you see everybody, in place of it you have to use what? Nobody. If you see everyone, in place of it you have to use no one or none. If you see everything, in that case you have to use nothing. Any other positive word if you remember? Everywhere. If you see everywhere, in that case you have to use nowhere. And if suppose you cannot see any of these, in that case with your helping verb you have to write no or not. But at least one negative word must be present. In that case only the sentence will be called negative. And second rule, use one opposite word in sentence. This opposite word can be of abstract noun. You can use opposite word for adjective, adverb, verb even, right? So these rules work together. You have to use both the rules together. In that case only you can transform positive sentences successfully into negative. Keep these two rules in mind. I will explain every of them through example. Let me rub the board and then after the examples we will start. First example, I always speak truth. Right? This is first sentence. So let us use our both rules. First, in place of always, what we have to apply? Never. So our answer will be I never. Second rule says what? We have to use one opposite word. So opposite of truth is what? Lie. I never speak lie. Understood? Second, everyone is honest here. Again, our rule number 1, any negative word. In place of everyone, no one. Answer will be no one is. Opposite of honest, dishonest. No one is dishonest here. Third example. Everything is possible. Rule number 1. Nothing is opposite of possible. Impossible. Next example. She is beautiful. Now here no special word is used, so we have to use negative word with helping verb. She is not. Opposite of beautiful, ugly. Next, the knife is sharp. Here also with helping verb we have to use not. The knife is not. Opposite of sharp, blunt. Is it clear now? Yes. Rule number 1 and 2. Okay. Now I request you to